Chosen team! So, guys, the best vlog. Okay, natin na picture. Yeah. So, pinagbasihan natin dito kasi kung makikita po natin yung description ng best in vlog ay for showing their creativity on the limited resources available to create the best vlog. So, meron na sa isang resources na ginamit na wala yung ibang team. Though meron yung isang team, kaya lang hindi na masyadong nabigyan ng justice. Kaya yung mga team chosen. Parang baka naman dyan! Right, teacher? Kapitan, nakikita ka ba dyan? Okay. Isa ba daw?
Yan. Awa. Isa pa.
Isa ba daw?
Sama niyo si Kuya Kapitan. Yan. Wow.
Okay na?
Okay.
Hey! Okay! Mentors Award. Ito yung mga assistant leaders, mga leaders. Okay, goes to! Christine May, yes, the boss boy!
Mentos yan.
Mentos Award. Alright. Okay, next, Johnny Camper. Ito yung for you were always a happy camper. Yun ang description niya. Johnny Camper goes to! Bernadette C. Montealegre!
Jolly daw, Jolly.
Award, basta may award ka, magpapicture ka. Jolly Award. Magpapabakit ka daw ng Jollibee. Alright, so Lifesavers Award, sabi dito you for you were willing to save others and help out. Goes to! Jolina Q. Interosa. Alright. Teacher, she's always there for everyone. Yan.
Hati lali.
Ayan, may music talaga. Alright! Okay, so DAP Award. Diba? But DAP Award, ito naman, you were peaceful and never complained. Goes to! Meron Q. Interosa! Okay, so, yan, siya si Kapitan, lagi siyang on the go, never complained, even once. Okay, alright. Ito, side by side, ito naman, pinagbasihan namin ay yung dalawang camper na dito lang nag-meet, pero simula nung magkasama sila, lagi na namin sila, ay simula nung dumating sila dito, lagi na namin sila nakita kasama. Okay, awardees goes to! Sa Continent Cafe at saka si
Eugene.
Villalobos.
Nakakap ka dyan. Divided.
Picture. Alright, so yan. Dahil for, sabi dito, for you have to smile and laugh worth 100 grand. Goes to! Ruth Christine Sabangan.
Wow! Parang di makapaniwala.
Yan.
Basta sa'yo yan.
Yan. Kasama nung smile niya, yung iwak niya na talagang kasama nung smile niya, yung tingin niya talagang hindi nakakawaran. Okay. Alright, next!
Galing!
Bakit meron din pa nito? Hindi siya mag-settle ko. Okay, sige. Nabasa ko na. Certificate of Appreciation. Sabi dito, in recognition of outstanding performance, commitment, and dedication throughout the youth retreat.
Yan.
This 28th day of May 2022. Si Rendel, Ali Sulure.
Bago yan, pero...
Winner, upper, or being the tidiest. Basta maayos to. Sabi dito, goes to Award. Okay, for you help out when help was needed goes to Lina Damostol.
Baka F din yan. Ang ganda ng pagkakabaling-bali ah.
When a man points a finger at someone else, he should always remember the four of his fingers are pointing at himself. So basta ganun yun. Most responsible team goes to Wapar team!
Sila rin.
Kasi natin dyan sa kanila is yung una, hindi sila nagawa ng flag. And then, pag kumakain sila lang talaga yung nagtipray. Guys, sila lang. Tabuhan.
Nang sabay-sabay! Nang sabay-sabay! Sabay-sabay!
Okay. Ay, sorry, mali. Alright. Okay, thank you, Team Whopper.
Ubasan ka rin.
Alright. So next, Leadership Award. Sabi dito for their exemplary leadership and ability to motivate the team to produce remarkable results. Okay, so ito naman, pinagbotohan din ng lahat ng officiators. So nakita namin sa kanya. Ito kasi leadership award, lahat naman ng naging leaders natin guys. Hindi tayo natawaran. Clap tayo sa mga leaders natin. So dapat nga hindi kami magbibigay ng ganitong award. Kaya lang kasi kailangan talagang na magkaroon ng ganito. Talagang sobrang pantay-pantay halos lahat. Pero kailangan natin mamili ng isa na mag-stand out dun sa lahat ng leaders. So, the award goes to Bernadette Simon de Leon.
Hakot award yan! Napakakulit.
Okay. Okay. And last but not the least, camper of the year. Sabi na for enjoying this recreational and adventure event. Nakita natin ito mula simula. Okay. The award goes to Andrea Jesper Wayo. Alright, teacher. Okay.
Nox!
Okay, so everyone, dito tayong lahat dito. Let's have a group picture.
Nasaan?
Ay, lang pala. Akin yung bago makalimutan yung ating champion, third, second, third, fourth, yun na yan.